Hello guys, welcome to Vedant Patashale. Thank you so much for your subscription. I would like to thank all those people who have subscribed our channel. This is the WhatsApp number and email ID of Vedant Patashale. Suppose if you have doubts regarding any concept, okay, you might have took any SSC exam, bank exams, is this clear? Railway exams, PSI, KSRTC, BMTC, IAS case, whatever it might be here. We do help you regarding all the concepts. Is this clear? Reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English, current affairs, banking awareness and remaining whatever is there. We do help you in all concepts. Is this clear? So kindly forward your doubts, queries or whatever the questions you have. Okay. So we do solve and we will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp number and email ID. You can forward either to WhatsApp number or to email ID. Is this clear guys? Okay, yes. So in previous session we learned the basics of coding decoding, correct? So this is the second part of coding decoding, a very important one and very simple. The most easiest part is this second part. Okay, is this clear? Suppose if you are visiting our channel for the first time, kindly just see on your right side here. Okay, so here, yes, you can see a notification, correct? So coding decoding part 1. Suppose if you have not seen that concept, means kindly do watch that. Why? Because that is the most important concept and from that concept you can expect at least 2 to 3 marks. Is this clear? So kindly watch that. Yes. So coming back to the today's session or today's concept. So today, as I said, you will be teaching regarding coding decoding. Same concept but bit different one. Okay. So let's see what is that. Yes. So now you can see a table and you can see 3 conditions and you can see the question as well. Is this clear? Yes. Come, let's understand what is this and let's learn how to solve this. Is this clear? Okay, yes. First I'll read out whatever it is there on the screen. Numerals are coded as given below and some conditions are given. According you have to find out which coding is correct. Okay, so as per that particular line, as far as I have read now, so we have understood that whatever the numbers are there in this particular row, okay, so all these are related to the provided symbols, correct? If I say 3, we need to search for M. If I say 9, we need to search for a star mark. Okay, so if I say 2, we need to search for question mark. So in this way, so as far as this question, the numbers has been coded as symbol together with the alphabet. Is this clear? So this is a table. So we have understood the table. Moving on to the conditions. There are few conditions. Let's see what it is. If first digit and last digit is odd, then both are to be coded as minus symbol. Is this clear? Odd means which is not divisible by 2. Example 3. Yes, it is divisible, but I do get decimals, correct? Is this clear? I do get decimal, but what about 4? Do I get decimal? No, I don't get any decimals. So, suppose if I divide any number by 2, if it is providing any decimal, that is said to be an odd one, correct? Very simple, the basic one. And you should remember the conditions. Is this clear? Suppose if anywhere in question, if you see the first and last digits both as odd, then you need to go for this minus symbol. Okay. Okay, so this was the first condition. We need to understand and we need to remember. Okay, remember what I am saying. Is this clear? Okay, yes. If first digit and last digit is even, yes, just now I have explained. If it is even means it will be completely divisible by 2. Okay, yes. If such case, then we need to code both as J. Next condition. If first digit is the square of last digit, then both codes has to be reversal. Understand? They are saying if first digit is the square of which? Of the last digit. Example, in starting if I get 4, in ending I'll be having 2. So 2 2s are 4, which means 2 square is 4. In that case, I do brought those questions also. So let's discuss. Now I will be moving to the first question. As you can see, what do we have? So I'm writing here, that is 501943. Correct. So this is our question. We need to solve this. Now concentrate. What do we have in the starting point and what do we have in the ending point? Okay. So this is said to be an odd number and even this is also said to be an odd number. When both are odd number, then what I need to apply? Then I need to code both as minus. Is this clear? And concentrate on the options also. See, here we have, okay, let's keep this. Here we have J. It is not related to this, hence I am cancelling this. And later, yes, here also I am having minus in both the sides. Maybe this might be my answer. Still again, I don't know. I need to check. Clear. But here I don't have that particular sign what I need here in the place of J. So I am cancelling this too. Whatever is left out, I will decide in any of these two. I will decide my answer and later let's check that. Okay. So here in the place of 5 and 3, I have took minus. Or what does O means? O means exclamation. Concentrate on the options. Anything is there to eliminate? No, nothing is there to eliminate. Well, both are same. Moving on to 1. What do you mean by 1? 1 means it is T. Again, can I able to eliminate? No. Well, in two places I have T, but next digit will decide whether my answer is A or my answer is C. Let's check that. What does 9 means? As far as this table, I am seeing that 9 means star. Yes. Coming back to the question, what do we have in option A? We have yes, which is not our answer. And what will be remaining? That will be our answer. Let's check. Only one is left out. What does 4 means? 4 means yes. Now let's check. It is minus exclamation T star. Yes, minus. Yes. So our answer is option C. That is what you are seeing right now. I have just marked that option. Is this clear, guys? So this is how we need to solve the whole question. You will be getting at least for 3 to 4 marks. We can't expect. They might ask you for 2 marks. So it is very difficult to exactly say. Is this clear? So only I am saying you might be getting this particular concept for 2 or 3 marks. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Yes. I am moving for the next concept. Remember, the whole question is same, but the only changes is this. Conditions table all are same, but this question will be changed. That's it, nothing else. Yes. As you can see, the table is same. Conditions are same. But the question has been changed. Is this clear? Okay, so let's see what is the question. So now, so it is, I'll write here 8, 7. Yes, I have written this. So, 8 is even number, correct? 2 is also even number. If both are even, then what was the condition? Both has to be coded as J. So, kindly concentrate here. We don't have that. So, I am eliminating. Is this clear? Remember, so here 8 means it is ash and what does 2 means? It is question mark. It has been provided whatever it is in the given table as per the table, correct? But it is not the way that we need to solve. Why? Because there is a condition that suppose if both are even, then I need to go with J. Correct. Yes, I need to solve on that basis. So, I am marking both as J. But here, yes, in option B, I am having. Again, in option C, I am not having. So, I am eliminating. So, maybe my answer is B or C. Still, I have no idea. Let's check. Now, what does 7 means? 7 means slash. I have took this. So, 4 means it is yes. 9 means it is star. Again, 1 means it is T. So, which is satisfying with this particular? Yes. So, as you can see, well, both are same. What is the difference in this? So, let's check this. So, here in the place of T, we have question mark. Even this can also not be taken. So, my answer for this particular question is option B. That is J slash yes star T J. Is this clear, guys? Okay. See how easy it is. Just seeing the question, understanding the conditions and remembering the condition and just applying, which is nothing but substituting, nothing else. Okay. Yes. I am moving to the next question. Again, conditions and whatever the table is there is same, no difference, but the difference is only that the question has been changed, that's it, nothing else. Yes. Okay, so let's see what it is provided. I'm writing here 301726. So as we can see, 3 is an odd digit, correct, and 6 is an even number. Do we have any condition relating to this particular concept? Is this clear? So they have said in the last one, they have said if first digit is square of last digit. Is this clear? So as far as I am saying, I am not having 36 and neither I am having 9. In this case, when the data is not provided regarding this type of question, we need to decode the given question based on the table itself. Why? Because I don't have any other option. I need to go with that only. Whatever it is provided, I need to take that itself. Is this clear? So here, so I am marking. What does 3 means? 3 means M, correct? What does O means? It is exclamation. Kindly concentrate. Which is following? Hence, it is not following. Why? Because in starting only I am getting exclamation. Again, here I am getting ash, which is not related to 3. Why? Because I know 3 means M, but here I have ash. Ash means 8. That is not the correct one. We have none of this. We don't know. Suppose if option A is not going with the question, I need to select option D, which is nothing but none of this. Correct? Yes. So again, what does 1 means? 1 means T. Okay. Yes, it is following. Bit following. Still half is there. Still half is remaining. Let's check what is that. So I am just marking whatever it is provided in a table. So it is M exclamation T / question mark Z. Yes, it is following with option A. So our answer must be option A. It is not even none of this. Why? Because it is matching with the provided option. Is this clear, guys? Yes. Have you understood? Okay. Yes. Moving on to the next question. Same concept, table and conditions all are same. But here the question has been changed. That's it. Okay. Yes. So let's see what it is. So what do we have? So we have, I'm writing here, nine eight 57203. Yes. So understand one thing. Here 9 and 3 are said to be odd numbers. Correct. And 3 square is also 9. Is this clear? So let's read the last condition. If first digit is the square of last digit. Now we need to check whether the provided first digit is the square of last digit or what. Yes. If yes, then we need to move with the given condition. Hence, here both are odd numbers, but still kindly see the options. We don't have option regarding the minus symbol, correct? So in this case, I am assuming this and I am taking this as the third condition concept and I am solving this. Because these questions are totally based on options. Suppose if we have option in that manner, then we need to solve that. But here hence we can see the first digit is the square of last digit. So I need to move with the third particular condition. In this case, what will happen? Whatever the code will be there for first and last, that will be reversed or interchanged. What is the code for 9? Code for 9 is star, and what is the code for 3? Code for 3 is M. So this will be reversed. Is this clear? In the place of star, I'll be getting M, and in the place of M, I'll be getting star. Just reversing, nothing else. And the other remaining whatever numbers are there, that remains the same. That is 8 means ash, 5 means dollar symbol, correct? 7 means slash, 2 means question mark, 0 means exclamation, which is moving with this. So hence these two are eliminated. Why? Because I'm not having M in starting. So moving on to this, see here I have dollar. So hence again even this is also eliminated. What is left out? It is M ash dollar slash question mark exclamation star. Yes, it is going with this particular option. Hence my answer should be option D. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Are you getting? Yes. Can I move further? Yes. Okay. So let's see the next question. Okay. Now the question has been changed. So till this we have saw a new question compared to coding decoding part 1, which contained same table, 3 conditions, that also same, but there were 4 to 5 questions. Is this clear? So now I am ending this question. Now I am taking up a new question. Clear? So here what has happened? So numbers and symbols are taken together. Is this clear? So numbers, sorry, there is a mistake, symbols, sorry. Numbers and symbols are taken together. As you can see in the first row, we do have numbers and symbols. And in the second row, we have the codes in the form of letters, which is nothing but alphabets. Okay. So let's see what is this, how to solve this. Let's understand. Let's learn. Okay. Yes. So what is the condition provided? If the first element is a symbol and the last element is a number, then the codes are to be interchanged. Okay. Suppose if first is symbol, any of the symbol provided here, and it will be given on the based of the table itself. Why? Because they don't go out of the boundary. When we have only this much of number and symbol, they do provide you on this basis only. They don't give anything else which is not there in the table. Example, dollar is not there. They don't provide you dollar. Is this clear? So remember that. Yes. So if first and last are, first is symbol and the last is number, then the codes has to be interchanged. Correct? Yes. If both elements, first and last, are symbols, then the element has to be coded as for the first element. Okay. In a group of elements contains only one symbol, and then that symbol has to be coded as A. So these are the condition which we have understood. So now moving on to the question. So what do we have? We have 28%956. Does any of the conditions is need to be applied here or not? That is my question. Okay. So here as we see the first condition, first element was symbol. Here we can see the first element is not a symbol, then I can't apply first condition. Moving on to the second condition, if both first and last are symbols, well, both first and last are numbers. Here again I can't able to apply second condition. Moving on to the last one, if the group of elements contains only one symbol, then that has to be coded as A. Do we have at least one symbol? Yes, we have that. Okay, so see here, so it is 28%956, correct. So now just code this percentage or symbol as A. Why? Because the condition 3. Suppose any question provided for you contains one symbol, then that has to be coded as capital letter A. I have done that. And what about remaining? What we need to do? Nothing else. You just need to see the table and you need to write. What does 2 means? It means R. What does 8 means? It means N. 9 means, where is 9? In starting, that is X. What about 5? 5 means it is H, and 6 means it is yes. So my answer is RNA. I need to get RNA. So first is eliminated. Why? Because I have R and B. So later I have RNA. Let's keep this. So here R and B, that is also eliminating. Left out with B, D, E. Okay. So RNA X HS. So here we have SH cancelled. Okay, so here we have HS. This is our answer. Why? Because in E everything is okay, but this is not okay. Last 3 are not okay. So my answer should be option D, that is RNAXHS. Is this clear, guys? Yes. Have you understood? Okay, I am moving to the next question. Same concept here. The table is same. and the conditions are same, but the question has been changed. So let's see what is this. Is this clear, guys? Okay, if the first element is symbol, whether the first element is symbol, yes, the first element is symbol, and whether the last element is number, yes, that is also following. Hence, we need to apply the first condition. That's it. I don't see any other condition. Why? Because this particular question is based on the first condition. So, what they have said, what is a code for at? I am writing here. What does at means? At means T, correct. So, what does 4 means? 4 means it is P. So, they are saying the both codes has to be interchanged. So, code for at is T. So, I am taking that for 4. And the code for 4 is P. I am taking that for at. And remaining things remains the same. But before moving on to the marking of the next remaining things, I'll just eliminate here. Okay. So, here we have TP, which is in order. So, I don't need that. I need answer with starting from P and ending with T. Here we have PT. So, here we have TT. I am just eliminating. The other things remains the same. So, let's see. What does 6 means? 6 means S. What does 2 means? Well, 2 means R. What does plus means? Plus means it is G. What does 7 means? It is F. So, which is the answer? So, it is P, S, R, G, F, T. Yes, first one is the correct one. Why? Because as you can see here, we have P, S, R. This both has been reversed. Okay, in the place of G we have F, and in the place of F we have G. So even this is eliminated, and here as you can see again this both has been reversed. Is this clear? Okay, sorry, not this both. RS has been reversed. So also we need to eliminate this. So finally our answer should be option A. Is this clear, guys? Yes. Have you understood? Okay, I am moving on to the next particular question. Again, table and condition remains the same. A new question. That's it. Okay, yes. If both the first and last elements are symbols, then the elements has to be coded as the first element. So, here, as I am seeing, in the provided question, we do have symbol in starting and we do have symbol at the end. Okay, I am just writing this. So, I need to apply condition 2, where I need to decode the provided question based on the last element is to be coded as the first element. Okay. So, whatever it is there, I need to code based on the first element. So, what does plus means? Plus means it is G, correct? When it is G, so what we need to do, if both first elements and last elements are symbol, what we need to do? Then the last element should be coded as the first element. That's it. What is the first element? That is plus. The code of that is G. So you should do the same thing for the last element as well. So here it is eliminated. Why? Because we don't have same element at first and last. Left out is only 2. Let's see. The next particular element will decide our answer, whether it is A or E. So what does 5 means? Okay, where is 5? 5 is in the 4th position, correct? So in 4th column, we have 5 here. Okay, yes. So here H came. So here I have X. So I will not see further. Finally, I will mark my answer as option A. But still, in order to show you, I am solving this. That's it. But in exam, you should not carry this. Why? Because as you get the answer when no options are left out, then what we will do? We will just take the whatever the option we are getting. We don't check further. Why? Because I don't even have none of this option. Then I need to check. Correct? Yes. So what does 3 means? 3 means D. So now let's check whether it is following. Yes, it is following. Hence our answer is option A. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Yes. So I hope you people have understood whatever I have taught you today. A very important concept from coding, decoding. This is a second part. Okay. Suppose if you understood whatever I have taught, then please do like the video. And suppose if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel so that you will give us another chance to teach you even more. Okay. So kindly subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting updates from Vedant Patashale. Okay guys. Thank you.